Hey, I'm Fred from Gestisoft, and today we're gonna talk about product in opportunities in Dynamics 365 sales. There is different way to manage products and quotes in Dynamics 365 sales. Today we're gonna talk about one use case with customers that are a bit too complex to use quotes and to make sure that they use all the product as it is meant to work in Dynamics. And one thing that happens, most of those customers use Excel spreadsheet and complex document to generate their quotes. They could use what we call CPQ, so they could use the software to build their quote, but most of the time the cost to implement CPQ, either in Dynamic Sales or in their ERP like Business Central, can be quite complex in an opportunity. And there's a lot of value to have more information in your opportunity than simply the estimated revenue or the actual revenue. So one thing that we show a lot of customers in terms of opportunities, the ability to use a product to bring either the total of the quote or the subtotal, really the most important information within the opportunity. We'll show you that. Here today, as an example, I've got a new quote about Dynamics 365 sales project, and for sure that my quote's gonna be much more complex. It's gonna be a document having like 10 pages presenting my analysis, the project with all the details, the project timeline, and much more information. But a lot of salespersons gonna manage only the estimated revenue within the opportunity. But one way that you can do it and bring much more value in terms of analysis and visibility is putting, as an example here, really the subtotal and the big line of your opportunity within the product. I could have a standard way to create the product here. Today I did a write-in. It was mainly to save time. Here is an example. I could have my total annual licenses. I could have the main milestone of my project and the number of hours for each one of them. And this way I'm able to give a bit more visibility. Normally, due to that complexity, I would have an Excel file, I would have like PDFs and all that within the opportunity. If I needed to have a bit more visibility out, okay, what was the budget of training as the customer is asking me the question, I'll be able to access that information directly within my CRM without having to open the file. So I'm gonna save a lot of time doing that. And the second thing is to make sure when I'm doing a lot of account management working with multiple customers, I can have a visibility of what did I sell to my customer in terms of services, in terms of product, in terms of assets, and so on. What did I propose in the past? So what I've done in other opportunity that maybe I've lost, maybe I've won, and maybe that is currently happening. And this way, for multiple people working, collaborating on opportunity, I can give that visibility to my team. So here's one example. I'll show you what we did in terms of customization that can be done. There is a default field in the product called service account. So this way you can make sure that the product, whenever we create a product in the opportunity, get back to the account. And if we're going into the account, as an example here, I can have a quick visibility of my current opportunity. I've got one opportunity, one lost, one open. I can see my current trend in terms of actual revenue, and I can go down with a bit more details. And here I would have all the different products that I did sell to the customer. I can see which product that were won, so I can easily filter the information to see which one did I win. So I know that I sold 10 licenses of Dynamics 365 Sales Enterprise, and I can filter out also what did I lose. So this way I'm able to see that I did propose a Dynamics 365 field service analysis that I did lose for 30 hours. And this way I'm able to have a bit more visibility and information, and then I can look back into the opportunity if I want to have more information. all this information can help me to do a bit more reporting. Then I can compare if, as an example, my ERP is not connected with Dynamics 365. I can easily do like a Power BI dashboard to compare what's being sold in my opportunities and what's the product and the services I was supposed to implement, and compare that to the official quote or compare that to the invoice as well. And this way we can create nice dashboard and a lot more information in terms of customer upsells and customer cross sells. This way also help if you want to create upsells and cross-sell strategies. So we can easily create opportunities for existing customer to propose services and product. And this way you'll be able to have a visibility of, okay, what did I do with those products? What did I do in terms of opportunity? And if your customer did refuse those potential opportunities. So thank you so much and have a good day.